Introducing the Core Plus Aerospace Remote Curriculum. Many Washington students are going back to school from home. But how does a hands-on manufacturing curriculum get delivered remotely? That's where Core Plus Aerospace comes in. Created by veteran Washington teachers and available to Washington schools, Core Plus Aerospace now includes customized remote learning content that delivers manufacturing fundamentals no matter the learning format. Through these customized units, Washington high school students build a foundation in manufacturing and explore careers, engage with virtual content that brings the curriculum to life, and develop and demonstrate real-world skills. Most importantly, they keep learning and exploring, mastering the skills and earning the credits they need for graduation. Core Plus Aerospace students graduate high school with options. Learn more at coreplusaerospace.org.